Number 2, we have personal or other people's human experience. One's human experience, whether pleasant or unpleasant, may be used to stimulate a creative response or solution to problem. You see that? For example, many people who buy street food may not be aware of the health hazard of their actions, but the fact that there is such a risk can enable an entrepreneur to come up with the idea of producing a product that does not entail such health risks and promoting it in such a way that consumers will perceive the merit of the new product over the existing product. In other words, we can get idea through personal or other people's human experience. One's human experience, whether pleasant or unpleasant, may be used to stimulate and create response to solutions to a problem. Some people can share their experience to you, and from there you can get an idea that, wow, so if this person passed through this, so many people will be suffering from this problem. I can as well find out a product I can produce to solve this problem. So you can get business idea from people's human experience. You can get business idea from successful business firm. That's the first one. You can also get business idea from people's human experience. You can get business idea, okay? Look at it. Okay, these ones are the ones we are going to treat later. You can get business idea from work experience. As a result of work experience, aspiring entrepreneurs may become conversant with problems associated with existing products.